Yo, what's up guys? It is AB here, Awesome Boss here, and today I'm going to be doing a video on a slime thing, but so we have all the slime right here. Hold on. Look at all that. It's enormous. So yeah guys, so we'll be hiding items in the slime 10.
This gigantic slime.
She doesn't want her face shown, so I'm not gonna show it. And, but yeah, she's gonna have the items. And we have 45 seconds to find all of them. And if we don't find them, she wins.
No. So the thing is, the rules are, so if we both find it in 45 seconds, no one has to do a dare. But if only one person has to, or if only one person finds it in 45 seconds, then the one person that didn't make it has to do a dare, but not a big dare.
I did not know there were some dares in here. You should have told me babes. Okay, guys, but I just had to go do something. The big glob slime.
Let me fix this.
Yeah, fix it. Can I show them the camera?
Not yet.
If you guys want me to do smoothie challenge, I will. But yeah, guys, the big glob slime. You should see. It's so huge. If you guys want us to do fill the sink with it, and I'll put my face in it. Should we do that? Put it in the sink and I put my face in it?
No. No.
Oh, it's so big. Okay, but guys, here is the big slime.
Don't. Just keep moving it. Okay, we're gonna do that. Now put it down.
See, watch it melt. Watch it melt. Okay, ready?
It's because it's fluffy slime.
I am Harry Potter. Okay, but when are we gonna start?
After I put this together.
Okay, so whoa. Can I show them that? That's cool. Here, hide the items in. I'll bring the camera with me. No, I'm just kidding. Here.
Yeah, actually, yeah. So I leave the camera.
Here, I'll bring up the camera. Okay, guys, gotta grab my hat. Got to look good. My favorite team's the LA Dodgers. Yeah, see, we got cap. Then we got my belt. Sorry, my table is a mess. Sorry about the noise. It's so loud. I'm gonna turn it down.
Hey, what are you doing? Hi, we're closed. I know it's late. I'm sorry, but this is an urgent matter. I'm looking for a rookie who has not seen Park Heights. Nope, doesn't ring a bell. This dog is very.
And now, marker flipping with Austin.
But I'm very busy. For her safe return, I'm offering $10,000 or more. Cheese? You know, maybe you should give me your digits and I'll keep an eye out. Great. Here's the card. My number's right there. It's gonna be okay. This is what we do. Great. Thank you.
I'm so close, but so far. Boy! I'm going to meet Juke Squad soon, so if you guys want me to record, I will. Last marker flip. Oh shoot, I dropped my phone. Let's go.
Can I tell you when to
Yeah.
go? And ready?
Hold on, put the bucket over here. Ready?
Let me dump it. Ready, 3.
Don't dump it. No, we should have it like
No.
this.
3, 2, 1.
Let's go. Here it comes. Here,
I'll get it out
You move it.
so you can't feel nothing.
Ready? 3.
Wait.
Keep mixing it up again. Put it over here. Put it over here. 3. Can I go? 3, 2,
1. Go.
Got one item. 2.
So you have to put it. Oh, it doesn't count. You have to get all the slime off of them. No, you have to restart. You have to take all the slime off of them. Yes. Or it counts as they're still in it. Okay, leave.
Oh, I'm bringing the camera down. Okay, time for more marker flipping. Gotta set it up.
Yeah, sure.
Got my marker. Oh, really? Last one.
We got a human.
Okay. Oh, frick. I can't marker flip anymore. Okay, I'm here.
Okay, ready? 5. Okay, so the rules are you have to put the items in this pail. You have to put the items in this bucket, and there can't be any slime on them, or that item does not count.
Oh, frick. That's gonna be hard.
Okay, ready, set, go.
I'm gonna get it there probably. I'm just gonna try and grab all my items. Oh, Grumpy Cat, nice. Shoot, I'm screwed. I'm screwed. How much item have I found?
Three. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45.
I got it! No, there's slime on it! Okay, let's see how much items I got.
You got almost all.
What are you guys doing?
I got like every single one. The lollipop.
Now you're gonna hide them in from me.
Are you gonna take the camera? No. Okay, guys, time to hide them from her. Leave. Leave.
Excuse me?
Where's my
You left everything.
Leave, Summer. Okay, ready? I'm going.
Jeez, Summer. Pushing you.
Or when she does. Come on, come in. Hold up. Ready, set, go. 1. Yeah, almost 20 seconds. $30. $40, $41, $42, $43, $44.
Done. Done.
Let's see. Is there any slime on them? Hold up.
No.
What? Nope, it's on the back.
No.
Guys,
No, there's not.
it's a tie. It was a tie. There's slime on the back. Yo, okay, we have to do rock, paper, scissors now. Okay, for who gets to dare. Okay, ready? 3. Okay. Dang it, it's not on that.
No.
Okay. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 2 out of 3, 2 out of 3, 2 out of 3.
No?
Yes, yes,
Nope.
yes.
You have to say that before.
Okay, what's my dear? Nothing that I don't like.
Stick this in your mouth and spit it back out. It's
Isn't
not
there
toxic.
glue?
Elmer's glue isn't toxic. Get in front of
Shaving
the camera.
cream.
No, it's not. It's soap. You can keep that.
Eat that. Look, it's sick. Get that shirt off before you friggin' ruin it for the morning. Please. Austin, get the shirt off.
Okay, guys, hope you like this. I'll be doing one more round. Hope you like this video, guys. Make sure to drop a like. You want me to shout out your YouTube? Yeah, okay. Hope you like this video, guys. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and peace out. Bye.